Hi guys, today I want to show you how to repair a broken lipstick. I'm sure that many people out there have had lipsticks that they really like and they've broken on them. So what I did was I went to Amazon and I ordered a silicone lipstick mold. Comes with these two molds, a stand, and a ring for the collar of the silicone mold. Now, I originally had ordered like a heart shape and a regular lipstick mold, but these are the ones that I got. Didn't get exactly what I wanted. I don't know what I did wrong or who went wrong where, but I have these two. So these look the same, but by turning them sideways, you will see that one is pointier than the other. Trying to get it fine. This is flat here, and this is a little bit more concave. And if I turn it side to the back side, you'll see one is oval and one is pointier. They seem to be the exact same size as far as diameter. So I think that with my lipstick today, I'll be using the pointier one. Materials you'll need besides your mold, your lipstick. I use a big spoon to melt my lipstick in, and I also use a heat tool. This is used for embossing, card making, but I like that it heats it up fast and I don't have to keep going back and forth to the microwave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop my lipstick in here, and I'm going to be taking that out. So I have a little stick here. Oops. A little stick, a coffee stir, and I'm going to pop the rest of the lipstick out. Did a pretty good job there. I really like the lipstick color. So being that I did use the lipstick before, it's going to be missing some product in there so it could fill up the rim of the lipstick container. So I'm hoping that this little Avon sample will be enough to make up the difference of what I needed to put in there. There's like similar colors, it doesn't matter. You don't have to have the exact same color. And with making your own lipsticks, you can mix and match colors. If your colors didn't come out right, you bought it and you're like, oh, you're gonna chuck it in the drawer because you don't like it, you can always add more color to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my mold into the stand. Then I'm going to take my lipstick, my little ring. I'm going to put it the textured side down so it locks into that one. And that's what it's going to look like. Trying to get it in the light. Alright, so you'll see how quick and easy this goes. And if I'm missing more on the top that doesn't fill up to the brim, I'll just take another lipstick. It doesn't matter. Alright, so I'm going to heat this from the bottom to get it going. You'll see how fast it goes. Usually these lipsticks are about a teaspoon. Or I think a tablespoon. You can see how quick that's going. Now, even though it's not melted completely, the spoon is. So I'm going to come back to my little spoon. And I'm just going to stir it up. The heat from the bottom of the spoon will continue to melt my lipstick. Try not to get bubbles in it, because then you will have bubbles in your finished product. Just tapping it down. You could see how quick and easy that is. I'm just going to stir, make sure that all the lipstick is combined. Now I'm going to carefully spoon that into the mold, hoping I don't make a mess. Yeah, so that's missing quite a bit, and there's, I don't know if you could see, but it's went like halfway to the brim there. So what I'm going to do is, I have this lip balm, and I'm just going to add that to the rest of it. It doesn't matter that it's clear, only because it's going to actually be in the inside of the lipstick cartridge. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'll add that to my spoon. Now if you want, you can add more lipstick if you want, but I really don't care. I think that should be enough for that one. Gonna go back to my little stick, stir it up. You could see it also came back to the same color it had before. Since this is just going to be inside the lipstick tube, it's not gonna matter. And there we have it. It's completely filled, and I guess I'll take the rest of this lipstick and just pop it into the little one here. Now with this lipstick, you're supposed to leave it in your freezer till it sets up, and then we can just pop it back into the lipstick container that you had. Or if you like, you can put it into a different one that's fancy. Now you can see I've taken what was left in here and I poured it back into this little container. And just wipe this off and we're good. So I'll leave you for now. What I'll do is I'll stick this in the freezer. I'll come back and I'll show you how we finish it off. Okay guys, I'm back with my lipstick. I've had it in the freezer for a good while. So now what we have to do is get our cartridge. We're going to take off the lipstick that's on the top, that's holding it down. Just gonna, let me knock that off on the side so I don't make a mess. So we're gonna just take that off. Now that we've taken that off, all you're gonna do is reinsert it into your lipstick container all the way in. And now with doing these, I find that the best way to get them out of the mold is to simply turn the lipstick. I didn't have it far enough in there. Is to turn the lipstick. It's not working. Now that I don't understand. Oh, I think I see what the problem is. Better happen to me than you. What the problem is here is that the part that had the lipstick is a different texture than the balm, and that's where it's separated. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remelt this one with this one, and start over. Okay guys, I'm back, but I'm glad that I had that little accident on here. I didn't know. Alright, so better me than you. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to quickly remelt the lipstick. And I will be putting it back into the mold, and then we'll try this again. I guess the two different textures, one was creamier and one was stiffer than the other, so that created a weak spot on there. So now, because it's all being melted together, it should all be perfectly fine. I was almost tempted to not go through with making this video, but I said, what the heck? If it happened to me, it can happen to anybody else, so why not show that it's still doable and fixable? As far as heating your lipstick, melt it any way you want, whatever way works best for you. This is my way where I can show you. This way you get to see what I'm doing and how it melts and what to look for. Try not to get any bubbles in your lipstick base, because that's what you'll get inside of your final product. And you won't get that beautiful, shiny lipstick. You'll get little holes in it like Swiss cheese. And I know, because it's happened to me. Alright, there we go again. I'll put the collar back on here. And we'll go again for our second round of refreezing. Of course, and now it's like, oh no, I don't want to melt all the way, fill up all the way. So let me see if I can just get everything out. It was to the brim before, now it's like missing just a little bit. Everything goes in. See how quick it cools? Just touched the cold metal and it started setting up. Alrighty. So we'll let that go and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back with my final attempt at creating this lipstick. As you saw before, I had mixed two different types of lipstick and balm, and it's separated where I had placed the two different products. So now, like I said, I took it, I froze it, and I'm just going to remove it and we'll try it again. Like I've said before, I like to turn the lipstick in order for it to release itself. So let's see if this time we got it. And yes, we did. That came out perfect. There is, oops. Let me get the camera a little closer for you. You could see it's perfect. Shiny, smooth, sharp edges. So we have success. Alright guys, I hope that this has been helpful, informative, that you enjoyed the video, even with my mistake. And I showed you what not to do. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You'll see a little subscribe button on the bottom right corner. Bottom right corner. And share with your friends. Try it yourself. Like I said before, these products are from Amazon. There's not going to be very helpful. But yeah, they're from Amazon, and again, it's a silicone mold, lipstick mold. Right guys, thank you. Leave me questions and comments, and again, share it with your friends. Thank you.